Hi, Bianca with Maritz here. In this video, we're going to bring you everything you need to know about the Lead Retrieval app. Let's get into it. Check this out. Our Lead Retrieval app is a best-in-class mobile app that helps you easily capture leads with a simple scan, take detailed notes about your interactions, gives you access to in-depth analytics, and so much more. You can download the app onto your personal device, or if you prefer, you can rent a device with the app already loaded. So, what does the app actually do? I'm so glad you asked. First of all, your mobile device, our handheld badge scanner, and tablet badge scanner use the same app. So whichever route you choose, you get the same goods. The Lead Retrieval app is a smart investment. It's customizable to your unique needs and experiences. There are so many value-add features and improvements to highlight. Let's start with how you get the app loaded onto your device. Go to the App Store on your device and search for Lead Retrieval app. Download the app and open it. Type in the 16-digit activation code that you received in your confirmation email to access the Lead Retrieval app. Type in the user's registration badge ID number. Tap to activate. All set! You're ready to start scanning badges literally anywhere. Hi!
Hi.
All set! Inside Lead Retrieval app, tap the yellow bar at the top that says Scan QR code. Next, point your device camera toward the QR code on the badge to scan. Super simple. If for any reason you can't scan the badge, no worries. Just tap on Enter ID and type in the attendee's badge ID number located next to the Lead Retrieval app symbol on the badge. Then enter the first letter of their last name. It's that simple. The information on the scanned lead will appear on screen. And now I'll walk you through the many features and benefits of the app. Easily edit contact info. Take notes. Rate each lead. Create surveys. Setting up and sending collateral. View or download leads. The Lead Retrieval app works best when it's part of a sales strategy, and all of the features like contests, surveys, and custom qualifiers can be set up in advance and made actionable after the show. But no matter how the app is used, it's an invaluable tool that allows you to focus on making connections on the show floor, knowing all of the data that's being collected is safe and secure.